Hey guys, it's Jason, and in this video I'm going to be showing you one of the best survey websites on the market. Not only do they pay good money, but you actually get paid daily through PayPal. So if you're interested to make $122, $34 or $49 per day, as you can see with the payment proof right here, you have definitely come to the right channel. And be sure to stick around until the end, as I'm going to show you how you can even maximize your earnings even more. Okay, the website I'm talking about is superpay.me. As you can see here, they show make money online with free paid surveys today. And you can see just for signing up you'll get 20 cents. And they show that they do fast payment within 24 hours. And so far they have paid out over $2 million, as you can see right here. And you can get paid through PayPal, Tango Card, Amazon, Skrill, or even Bitcoin. And you'll be taking part in surveys, as I had said earlier. Or you can earn money by watching videos or completing paid offers and trials. You'll earn even more if you do all three. And the beauty about this website is it works all over the world. So even if you're in India or Pakistan or so on, you can still give this website a try. So how does it work? Well, let's check it out. As you can see here, it's simple to sign up to do the free paid surveys. Or you can do a paid trial and offer. And you can see payment proof over here of persons that have earned. See, you can see it right here since someone has earned $1.11. This is a legit website, and you'll be surprised at the amount of money you can earn. While it won't be life-changing money, you can definitely earn a good pocket change easily off this website. And if you want even more payment proof, you can see it right here. These are the persons that have gotten paid by PayPal since they. I won't be making this video long and drawn out, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe. And by the way, if you want more videos like this, be sure to tell me in the comment area. And thank you for watching.